West Senatorial District, 8 local government areas. I have major stakeholders, and I have he who is my major political associate as my political mentor. And I also have the governor of the state, who is our governor of Rivers State. So I had to consult across the board. I don't do bandwagon effects. When I do something, I do it out of my conviction. So, and we have now got the Bani Road, which was open since Christmas time. And I can tell you, I drove down that road when I went to flag off the Bani Marathon on December 20th. And it's just wonderful. And the Bani people are so happy about it. It has made trade much easier. It has made transportation much simpler. The fear of sea pirates is no longer there. And it has made communication a lot better. So this is just one of many other projects. So I'm excited about these infrastructural developments. I'm also excited about the economic reforms. Particularly now, you know that, we know that for the last 3 years, there's nothing like two forex markets again in Nigeria. They have been coalesced to one, which is a great positive, because this business of you go to bank, you buy one rate, you go to the open, what do they call it, bureau de change or whatever, and there's fantastic rates and all the rest of it, and it wasn't very good for the outlook of the economy of this country. So that stabilization has really impressed me, and I think it's even going to get better. We hope that the Naira will even get stronger with time. And we know that there have been some issues that have been a little difficult for the Nigerian people, but we also see that His Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian nation, is very sensitive. Whenever these things are becoming too hard, he will approach it and say, well, let's draw back and see how we can make it work better for our people. So that sensitivity that the President has shown, particularly, I'm impressed with the way he has provided a fatherly role in the matters that you know concerned my dear state, Rivers State, and how he had provided, that backing to make sure that governance still continues in Rivers State. And that fatherly role he has played has really impressed me. I've watched it over the months and over the years, and I think that he deserves all our support, and also to ensure that he has the opportunity to carry on and to complete some of these reforms and to take them forward. Also, I want to work to support the First Lady, Senator Tinubu, CON, because I've seen the support she has given to the President over the years, over his political journey, and her impact and work with women and youths all across the country. She moves up all over this nation, emboldening the women, encouraging the youths, and supporting those things that impact positively on the lives of our communities. So when I looked at all these things and thought through them, I was convinced that I'm taking the right decision. Distinguished Senator Mgbeke, as I told you that we lost a distinguished senator from Rivers State, from the other senatorial district. I paid a visit to the wife and the family, and I was so very, very shocked at his sudden loss to the Senate. He has been a very hard-working senator, very committed, very patriotic. He had always taken the issues concerning his constituency, not only his constituency, the whole of Rivers State, with great passion. And we are very, 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 very grieved to have his loss at a time like this, when we are all preparing towards major events in the country. And we do continue to pray that his soul will rest in perfect peace, that his family will be comforted and consoled, and that the children will fulfill all of the God-given destinies for their lives. None of them will lose out only because their father was lost at this time. They will go on and do even greater works. And that is our prayer for them. Thank you very much.
As one of the frontline political players in Rivers State, are you feeling the presence in any way of ADC?
I don't know what ADC is. I'm moving to APC, not ADC. Thank you very much.
Thank you.